Hey there, it's Kyle with Alter Ego Electric Bikes, and today we are going to do a brief walk around of our Sidekick Trail 350 folding electric bike. This is a new model for our Sidekick series folding electric bikes, and we're happy to see it because it has a few unique features that our other Sidekick models don't have because it runs on a 36 volt system. So it comes equipped with a 350 watt MXUS motor, 36 volt, spoked wheels, as opposed to our Trail 500 that has alloy mag wheels. It has 160 millimeters mechanical disc brakes, front and rear. You can get this optioned out with a rear rack, rear fenders, front fenders, and front rack. The fenders are free for the month of December. This bike comes standard with a headlight and a tail light, as well as a smart LCD display. The handlebars are adjustable up and down. And the unique feature on this bike is that it's got 3 battery options. It has the main battery in the seat post, which is a 10.5 amp hour battery. That's the standard battery. You can upgrade that to a 14 amp hour battery. And now you can even upgrade your batteries with an additional dual battery. Isn't that cool? That will get you ranges of up to over 100 kilometers. Quite remarkable for a bike like this. This bike also has a 7-speed Shimano Tourney derailleur. There's the folding latch mechanism. Drop us a line if you have any questions. Have a great day.